Hey everybody, in this episode of Funnellosophy's Tips and Tricks Tuesday, we are going to be talking about how to make use of templates inside the Clickfunnels editor to speed up your design process. See you on the inside. Hey everybody, Keith Bell here from Funnellosophy.com and welcome to my channel. In this video, this is Tips and Tricks Tuesday. This is going to be episode number 2. We're going to be talking about the use of templates inside the Clickfunnels editor. Now, when you think of templates, typically you're thinking about the templates that you use to design your actual funnel. But this is a little bit more drilled down. We're going to be talking about making use of templates, especially templates that we're going to use over and over and over again. My specific example today, we're going to be talking about footers. Footers tend to have a lot of information on them. Oftentimes they'll have a lot of links. Headers as well. If you look at a lot of traditional websites, they have a header that's got a ton of information on the top, and you have to link to all those buttons and links and images and so forth, and that can be tedious. And if you have a big funnel that's got a lot of pages, I just did a funnel for a gentleman. It was a blog post funnel where he wanted his funnel to appear more to be a traditional blog post. He had 32 pages and he wanted footers and headers on every page. Now I cheated a little bit more too, and I used page templates. I would save the blog post page with the footer and the header, and I would keep duplicating it over and over and over again. So we're going to touch on that as well a little bit, on using page templates as well. So let's get started. If you like what you see here, make sure you hit that big thumbs up button. YouTube likes that. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you're notified of when I put out new content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 3 o'clock. So let's get started. All right, here we are inside my computer, and I've just pulled up a funnel I designed in the past for another client. And the first type of template I want to talk to you about is a page template. Now I can save this entire page so that if I wanted to use this format for another lead magnet for this particular client, I could do so without having to rebuild the whole page over again. So the way we do that is we go up to our settings tab here on the top, go all the way to the bottom of the drop down list and click on general. We hit save page template, and we're going to name this Rock House Loans Demo. Or we'll make this, in case I have to use this again for him, Brockhouse Loans page. All right, we'll hit create template. And I've now saved that to my custom templates. It's right down here in the bottom. Okay, so if I wanted to use this again, I can, when I go to create another funnel, I can just upload this and add this to that particular funnel. And I'll show you how we can do that. We'll do that real quick here. So go back to our Brockhouse Loans funnel. We're going to go down here to the bottom, add a new step. We'll just put thank you page. I'm going to hit create step. And now it's going to pull up all the templates that are inside of ClickFunnels, but also has pulled up my template that I just saved. And I can just click select template, and now I've added that page again to my funnel. So this is great if you're making another lead magnet for your client and you want to use the same format over and over again so that everything looks consistent. You can do that. All right, so let's get rid of that. Actually, we'll just stay on this page for now. We're going to use it for the other. So another thing that I use templates for is duplicating sections and rows. You cannot do it with elements. You can only do it with sections and rows. So if I wanted to duplicate this header, and let's say this header had a whole lot more information in it for demonstration purposes. If I wanted to save this whole header, all we would have to do is go up here to the top right hand corner. We're in settings, drop down to the little, looks like a floppy disk. We hit save, and now it's going to say name your template. We'll just put it as demo, and we'll hit save section. And it is saved. So now if I wanted to add this header again on another page, all I have to do is hit my green button here in the middle, and it gives me my 4 standard full width, wide, medium, and small, but it also gives me an option over here to the right called sections. And if I go to there's Brockhouse footer, if we go to demo, it's going to pull up that same header again. Okay, just another way you can speed up your design process. And you can do the same thing with rows too. Let's say I just want to save this particular row area. I go to the little save floppy disk there and repeat the process I just went through. So hopefully that helped. You know, one of the things I try to do with Tips and Tricks Tuesday is to make your funnel building process faster. As you can learn little tips and tricks along the way, you'll increase the speed at which you can develop your funnels. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that big thumbs up button. YouTube loves that. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that notification bell so you're notified of when I put out new videos every week. And if there's something that you are confused about or you want me to make a video about, just drop a comment in the comment section down below and I'll be more than happy to put together a video explaining the issue that you're having so that we can share it with everybody else. All right, have a great day. See you in the next video and keep on funnel hacking.